guys, so I'm going to introduce the vlog. We're going to start with my to-do list. I'm going to be sharing it down here so you guys can follow me on my day today because I have lots of things to do. I'm trying a new hairstylist. I'm a little nervous, but I'm excited. That was one of my New Year goals, to get another hairstylist. So we'll see how that goes. So I will see you guys later. So I just left my hair appointment. It was so good. I love it. My silk press hair is blowing, bouncing and behaving.
Like, this has a weird, not a weird one, crazy.
She's still smiling every night, late night. Cody, turn me up. Got a fur on a table, got me burning up.
Guys, so I have a little bit of unboxing to do, which I'm really terrible at unboxing because what I do is just order a whole bunch of stuff and I be forgetting a lot of the things that I order, which is really bad. All my friends get on me really badly about that. But I made a conscious effort this year to, number one, not to order things that I don't need. Number two, if it does not fit or it doesn't serve me, to send it back. The package is covering my address. So I got it from Urban Outfitters. It's something that I've been eyeing for a really, really long time. So, okay. It's so cute. It's so cute. Oh my God. I'm so excited. Caught it on sale for like $20. So this is definitely a keep. Okay, so the second thing I got is from Dollskill. It is really big. So I'm gonna open it and then off camera and then come back. So the boots don't fit. I'm really devastated about it. But I did find the boots in my normal size, but they're a little bit more expensive. So are they cute enough to buy again? That is the question. Next up, okay, so the last thing that I order is like something I want to do for Valentine's Day. So I ordered these cute canvases off of Amazon. It's so cute. And I wanted to do like a little sip and paint date night situation. Amazon. I think it's so cute. And then also, y'all, I found like paint and all that, easels at the dollar store for $1.25. Y'all better come up here and get one of these. So this is a safe space, right? So I never formally discussed it or talked about it, but if you follow me on social media, you might have noticed that I have done a little facelift to my page. I have removed a lot of my portfolio work. A lot of you know me as being a fashion stylist, and I have come to terms with just the point that I no longer want to be a personal fashion stylist. I do not want to do that anymore. I really just grew out of love with it. Of course, fashion is always going to be one of my passions. But the fashion styling part is like, I'm just over it. So for the month of January, I posted inspirational quotes because I think it's so important, especially in our generation, to make sure that we're uplifting each other, because it's just so much negativity on social media. It's so many people bashing each other, tearing people down. And I'm just like, love and light. Like, let's stop judging people so much. Let's love a little bit more. So I wanted to do my part, and I wanted to merge fashion with inspiration. So that's why you saw the daily quotes every day. But February, we turned it up. So I want to challenge myself and do a 28-day challenge in February. And I'm choosing February because I struggle with consistency, and I know myself, and I'll be like, I'm over this. So I'm really, really, really challenging myself to 28 days of fashion. So plus size fashion is coming. I'm excited, and yeah, I'm excited.